Yo, what's up? Welcome back, everybody. It is your boy Liam's Ghost, aka Liam Vapes. I'm here with my boy. I'll let him introduce himself.
Last week I was alien fingers. This week I'm alien toes. I'm not gonna show you my toes for specific reasons.
Show me your toes.
I don't want to be on VPFIT, so no shot.
Yo, what is VPFIT?
Yo, let's just go.
Should we cut that? Should we restart?
Yo, you can edit that out.
Yeah, I can edit that out. I'll 100% edit that out.
No, okay, so redo.
Yeah, we'll redo it. Yo, what's up? Welcome back, everybody. It is your boy Liam's Ghost, aka Liam Vapes. I'm here with my boy. I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
Yo, what up? It's your boy VPFIT. Oh fuck, dude, I did it again.
Okay, one more try. Last try. Yo, what's up? Welcome back, everybody. It is your boy Liam's Ghost, aka Liam Vapes. I'm here with my boy. I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
Yo, what up? I jerk it to VPFIT.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is taking a long time, bro. Okay. Usually we get this shit in one take. Okay, last one. I'm gonna use the most energy for this one. Okay. Yo, what's up? Welcome back, everybody. It is your boy Liam's Ghost, aka Liam Vapes. I'm here with my boy. I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Matty Smokes, aka Jerk It to VPFIT. Dude, I keep doing that, man. All right, whatever. We'll leave it.
So today we're gonna be checking out the VPFIT Flex Box. Now, this is probably the most puffs I've ever seen in a pod system. This is a 5,000 puff, 12 milliliter kind of pod system. It's kind of like the Jewel or the Stealth if you're Canadian.
The next best Jewel.
It's probably the next best Jewel, maybe. I don't know. We don't know yet because we haven't unboxed it. We got this Flexbox Lush Ice as well as a Flexbox Grape Ice. So I'm going to be opening up the Lush Ice while Matt opens up the Grape Ice. And they also, you know what? I also got my hands on one of these. I'm not too sure what it is, but I wanted to open it up and let you guys kind of decide what this is. What is? Oh, look at this.
Is that a ruler?
Look. Oh, it's a ruler.
Is that a ruler? Give me that ruler.
I'm pretty sure this is one of those jokes. Dude, what is this? Oh, I know what this is.
It's for when you measure.
No, this is for a cock measuring stick.
Yeah.
And what you do is you put it there and you tickle the balls to get a direction, so you can do the flaccid and then the erect.
Oh yeah.
This is for tickling the balls.
How big does it go though? Just to 6 inches? Oh, that's perfect.
It actually goes to 11 centimeters, which I'm not sure if that's big or not.
I think that's, if I do my math correctly, I think that's a couple centimeters.
I don't know. Pretty cool though. I'm gonna keep this.
For obvious reasons.
Obvious reasons. Put that right here. Yo, ain't no shot you're taking that home.
Well, if you could like always just like, you know, like, and then whatever.
I don't even know what you're trying to say right now.
Yeah.
You haven't ever
measuring
things,
right? You can just, like, your phone is just almost about one.
So this is what it looks like if you were to purchase it, brand new in the box. Whoa.
Flex it.
Look at that. Okay, guys. I'm going to read this little card. I never usually read them, but I'm going to read it. I'm going to read it as fast as I possibly can. I'm going to speed run it. Ergonomical and 2-shot injection body design, fully disposable pod, environmentally harm-free, 1.20 mesh heating coil, high flavor and taste retention, 12 milliliter each use capacity, long-lasting, equaling to about 5,000 puffs, fully adjustable airflow, delivering a much better mouth-to-lung experience with a 600 milliamp battery, fully rechargeable and reusable, environmentally harm-free.
It's a bunch of plastics. I don't know how environmentally free.
Dude! Am I going to believe you or am I going to believe the card? Come on.
Probably the card. Let's be real.
Let's be real here.
So inside the box.
Manual. Unfortunately, I cannot read. So
a charger and a pod.
Put that down.
And the vape with a pod in it.
We also got a warranty here. It has a 12-month warranty, guys. That's pretty good.
So
12 months is pretty good, dude.
What does a warranty even really do, right? You just get a free one?
Well, it basically, if it has it says that the warranty is not covered though if the damage is caused by a flood, fire, earthquake. Sorry, guys. Natural disasters, they don't got you.
They don't got you. No. So you can break it though. You can physically break it and they'll send you a new one. But if you're in a flood or like an earthquake,
no shot.
No shot.
I'm pretty sure if you physically break it too. I think it's just if it's a defective product. You know what I mean? But so here's what it looks like, brand new in the package. Oh, not in the package. It's a giant pod, actually. Look at that.
Tasty.
Did you pull this thing off?
Yeah.
Dude, I still got some hot sauce on my finger from Doneros. That was really good, dude. There's this place, it's actually an absolute staple, and they have the best Doneros I've ever had in my life. And me and Matt just really enjoyed one after a hardcore leg day. I got Matt doing hip thrusts.
I can at least do a Lizzo.
He was looking absolutely
Lizzo. I can fucking hip thrust a Lizzo, dude. Easily.
What is this switch for? I guess this is on and off switch.
No,
Oh,
that's
airflow.
the airflow.
Okay, so there's a little airflow here.
Idiot.
That's so unnecessarily mean.
I was gonna say something. Oh, if you guys ever have like an extra couple of minutes on your hands, you guys should look up the Bacon Brothers, and just really, there's a documentary that Liam recommended to me.
Did you watch
20
it?
minutes. Yeah, it was pretty good.
It's pretty good, eh?
It's actually really. Yo, what's the other one? What's the one that's in prison still? Jamie? That guy looks ugly as hell. His eyes are like fucking looking 3 ways, man. He's looking at 10 different people at the same time.
Dude, I think one of the brothers is out, so.
Jared.
Much love, yo.
Jared.
Don't get us.
Jared Bacon, yo, he's in a halfway house.
Yeah, but what if he comes and gets us, man?
What's he gonna get us? What if he watches the videos?
That's what I'm saying, dude. Either A, his feelings will be really hurt, or B, he's gonna be like, I'm gonna get these guys.
Or no, maybe he'll be like hyped that we know.
They're so unbelievably local.
Yeah, like I'm pretty sure they live in the halfway house, like pretty close.
Yeah, should we go visit them?
Should we go visit them?
I haven't even hit the vape yet, but it does come with an extra pod as well. So when you buy this little care package, with this little starter kit, it comes with 2 pods.
Oh no, Jared's the one that's
5,000 puffs each. That's 10,000 puffs right off the tizzy, which is pretty nice. First hit, you know the rules.
1 puff. I'm taking a couple. The grape's pretty good, so try this one.
The watermelon's an absolute slapper.
Ow!
It's an absolute slapper, dude. Sorry, dude.
I just did leg day, dude. Stop.
Try it. You'll. That was your arm, dude. You're fine.
It's all connected. Ow! It's all connected.
It'd be
really.
totally different.
It's all connected.
Great.
Like you know how they say head, shoulders, knees, and toes. They're all connected, yo.
Yo, the weather's finally okay where we can kind of film them in the sun and it's not terrible.
I'm sweating.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're also sweating when you're thrusting.
I was thrusting Lizzo though. Lizzo was getting down and dirty. All right.
The grape's nice. And if you guys watch my videos often, you know that I'm not a big grape guy whatsoever.
That watermelon is slapping, dude.
It is, right? Fucking hit it again. One more time. Come on. I was scared there. I was so scared there. Holy fuck. I actually genuinely enjoyed the grape.
It's only 3%.
Big clouds, too.
3%, but it's actually hits really
Big
nice
clouds
and hard
too.
and
But you know what? It does come in 5% as well.
And 2.
You can get it in 2%, 3%, or 5%. So the nice thing about pod systems like this is, you know, when you're going to go pick up more pods, maybe, you know, let's say that you're heavily addicted to nicotine. You're smoking 340 cigarettes a day, something
Brock style.
something casual, right? Like 30 packs a day or 15,
Something
16,
light.
yeah, something
Something
casual,
super
like
light.
16 packs a day, and you decide you want to like get off of it. You buy this, right? You fucking get the 5%, and then next time maybe you get the 3.
Are we any different from people who smoke cigarettes?
Yeah,
Are we?
we're better. No, I'm just kidding.
Are we?
No, not actually. I don't think so. That was so rude, hey? We're better.
Remember that one skit that you did, cigarettes versus vapes?
That was actually really funny.
Darian's so funny, man.
Oh, dude.
Got a little saucy last night. He's got mustard all over his shirt.
I just got sauce in my eye, dude.
Hot sauce?
Yeah. That
Got
was
a little
awful.
saucy last night.
Oh, dude.
If you guys
Switch back.
have some time, go watch that video. It's on his second channel.
Yeah, it's called Liam Vapes.
We also
I haven't posted on there in a long time. When I lost my
original
channel, I made that channel for a bit. And we were just kind of doing like stupid skits on it. And then I made this channel. And then this has kind of been the main channel. But that one actually has like
15K.
Yeah, like 15,000 subscribers. So it's honestly not a terrible idea, just in case, you know, this channel has any issues in the future, which it hasn't for a really long time. So shout outs to YouTube. But if it does, you know, it would be good to subscribe to that channel as a backup, just in case, you know.
I agree.
It's like the
And then worst comes to worst, both
possible
those
case scenario.
channels get like deleted. You still have my channel.
It's up to this guy, yeah.
And he'll still be in the video.
Yeah,
So
it's true. So it's pretty safe either way. We're at 9 minutes in this video. If you guys are
Holy fuck,
enjoying
really?
this video so far, what I want you guys to do is comment 9, 10, and let me know what the favorite vape that you've ever friggin' puffed on is.
Or cigarette.
Of all time. Or cigarette, yeah. We don't judge around here.
I do.
I was actually talking to Matt today about maybe making a video called Maddie Smokes a Cigarette.
Maddie actually smokes a
I
cigarette.
think it'd be funny.
Dude, we done one where it says Maddie actually smokes weed, and that video did pretty good. So I wonder if Maddie actually just smokes a cigarette.
Right?
Like I wonder.
Just for the culture, you know?
for
Maybe
the
smoke a
culture.
cigarette.
But I would get like the shittiest cigarette possible.
Like the rolled gold.
I was thinking more Export A.
Export A's aren't terrible.
Export A green.
Pall Malls are pretty gross, dude.
Pauls?
Yeah, the old Pauls.
The grooves?
Sorry, Paul.
Sorry, Paul.
Let's do the community hit though. What are you thinking for the community?
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do.
Bear with me here, guys.
Just listen. So first we're gonna go, right? Then we're gonna hold it in. Then we're gonna swap. So you're gonna have to get 2 vapes. And then we'll
If you're
swap out
watching
and
this
go,
with a friend, you know,
and then do it again 3 times, and then we'll just hold it in and get a little heady.
let's freaking do it, dude.
Right?
Cheers, everybody. And you know what? I'm gonna pass it to you guys too. If you guys are watching this alone right now, I'll pass you my
And you
vape.
also can just use the same vape.
Yeah.
So
If you totally want to.
just hold it in.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yummy in my tummy. Holy.
Woo! Head rush achieved. Well, you know what? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos just like this, if you guys enjoy the content, hit that subscribe button. And in the comment section down below, make sure to give us some positive affirmations. You know, it really makes my day looking through the comments and seeing, you know, there's a lot of people that watch these videos that don't be commenting. You know, just comment and say, hey, Liam, I enjoy the videos, because that will make my day. And I'll make sure to reply to most of the people that comment in the first day. How about that? I'll try to reply to comments. So ask me questions, stuff like that. Maybe we can host a little mini Q&A.
I'll also bet you $20 I'll be the first comment.
And you know what? You guys aren't going to know this, but you know what I was thinking about doing tomorrow?
What?
Before we drop the video, I was thinking about doing a little live stream.
Nice.
What do you think about that? It's been a while since we've gone on live. I want to start doing the live streams more often, be a little bit more interactive.
We should just start begging for money.
Fuck, shut up.
Just start begging.
All right, that's where, you know, I'm going to call it. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy your day.
PayPal's down in the description. Send me a couple bucks, yo.